US Bank Mobile App Review. The US Bank Mobile App is a digital banking application provided by US Bank, one of the largest financial institutions in the United States. It allows users to manage their finances conveniently from their smartphones or tablets. The app is designed for various purposes, including checking account balances, transferring funds, paying bills, depositing checks, and monitoring transactions securely. It also offers features like budgeting tools, credit score tracking, and account alerts to help users stay on top of their financial health. The primary goal of the app is to provide a secure, user-friendly platform for banking anytime, anywhere. When talking about the interface and key features, the US Bank mobile app features a clean, user-friendly interface with a dashboard that displays account balances and recent transactions at a glance. It includes quick access menus for transferring funds, paying bills, depositing checks, and managing cards. Additional functionalities, like credit score tracking, budgeting tools, and personalized account alerts, are integrated to help users monitor and optimize their financial activities easily. A unique aspect of the US Bank mobile app is its personalized financial insights feature, which provides tailored recommendations to help users achieve their financial goals. Additionally, it integrates tools like voice banking and advanced security features, such as biometric authentication, for enhanced convenience and safety. As of the key features and highlight integrations with other tools or platforms, the US Bank mobile app's key features include real-time account management, mobile check deposit, bill payments, fund transfers, and credit score tracking. It integrates seamlessly with tools like Zelle for person-to-person payments and other financial platforms, enabling users to manage finances efficiently on the go. Proceeding to the pros and cons of the US Bank mobile app, here's what you should know. For the pros, the US Bank mobile app offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and manage accounts. And it provides robust features like bill pay, mobile check deposit, and budgeting tools, enhancing convenience. And for the cons, some users report occasional technical glitches or app crashes, which can be frustrating. Certain advanced features may not be as comprehensive compared to competitors' apps. If this video caught your attention, feel free to share your opinion and experience on what you think about this app. And that's all of it from me. If you found this been helpful to you, just click like and also subscribe if you don't mind. Hope you learned something new, but that's it for me then. Thank you.